Here's a 2-minute guide to Awesome Screenshot. First you want to open up Chrome, then you want to go to awesomescreenshot.com, then you want to click on the blue button here on the home page, and that'll install it on your computer. Once it's installed, you see an icon show up in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to take a screenshot of one of my favorite websites here. But what I want to point out before I take the screenshot is that I have the option to edit an image that's on my computer. So if I click select a local image, I can click on that and I can pick an example off of my computer and I can mark it up just like it's a screenshot. So capturing the page, I'm going to use the box first, draw a little box. I don't like the green here though, so I'm going to click on that green and I'm going to click on the color green in the toolbar, change that to red. Then I'm going to make a note about this red box with an arrow pointing to the red box and leading from my note. I'm also going to draw another shape over here, and I'm going to draw an arrow to that shape, but I'm going to draw a curved arrow, which is a little bit more fun. Sometimes this is really nice. You're trying to make multiple notes on one image and you don't have a lot of room. The curved arrow allows you to get more information in without having to redo or edit a bunch of things. Let's finally say here that I want to mark out or delete some things. Let's say I want to X out this vehicle selector thing. I can do that. Let's say I want to X out or draw out a line of text. I can do that. Let's say I changed my mind. I just drew a line. I don't like that line. I can hit the undo button. Let's say I don't like this X either. I can select each one of these lines and delete them one at a time. Once I'm done making all my edits and changes, I can hit done and I'll have the option to save on my computer, which is what I usually do, upload the image, or even put it on a Google Drive or something. And you know what? I realized I forgot something, so I'm going to hit the back button. And I'm going to go ahead and put this line back because I don't think that I need that link there. Then I'm going to hit done. I'm going to hit save, and that's my 2-minute guide to Awesome Screenshot.